Thank God. If I got Drake, I would know that something is wrong.
Day 5 is already not going well. I hate that it's snowing. It's always snowing in Vaughan. If you live in Vaughan, what the fuck?
I'm quite literally having the worst time of my life.
These are the Kit Kat Dark. So good. I love a dark chocolate.
I'm quite literally having the worst time of my life, honestly. It's time to script the car.
I literally scraped my car, did all of that, and none of it was recorded. Are you... Day 5 is already not going well. Happy day 5 of Vlogmas. I scraped my car, and it's... I hate winter. Oh my god, finally. I think the defrosting is really doing a big one on this one. Thank god. My dad also told me never to run the wipers over the ice, and I fully just did that. I stand by what I said. There is nothing I hate more than winter and snow. I was literally scraping the snow off the roof of my car, and it blew back at me. It blew back at me. I just noticed that you can't see me, but that's okay. Anyways, I guess we'll head to work. I hope people are driving normally, and I hope that the roads are plowed. Hello everyone, welcome back to my car, or I guess technically for you, we've always been in the car, but new angle. I'm in front of my fitness studio because I decided to sign, is my sister at my house? I decided to sign up for a workout class last minute at 4:30 and there was room. Here we are. It's also snowing, which is so fucking annoying. I just remembered that I have to reply to my friend's text. I finished my meeting early, which is why I was able to make it to my workout class, because if I was still in the office, I would not have done that, because no chance I'm getting home by 5:30. No chance I'm getting here by 4:30. Here we are. Oh, that girl has a cute gym bag. So cute. I hate that it's snowing. It's always snowing in Vaughan. If you live in Vaughan, what the fuck? Over where I live, not snowing. Here, snowing. Get your shit together, guys. Anyways, I'm gonna go in so I can get my spot because I like to get a good spot. I found these at Walmart. These are the Kit Kat Dark. So good. I love a dark chocolate.